Here is how to create a room in Among Us. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch the Among Us application on your device, sign in or log in if prompted, and then select play on the dashboard, which is in the left-hand side of the screen. Once you do that, you'll get two different options of local and online. Select local. Now find the create section and select classic or hide and seek if you prefer. Your room should now be created once you tap on anyone according to your preference. Now in the right menu, you can adjust the game settings and rules by selecting edit. You can tap on the chat icon in the top right to chat with your friends inside the game. Then you can tap on the settings icon to go ahead, change the settings of your controls, your size, sound, chat, and all. You can also use this setting to leave the game or return to the game. Now you tap on this customize icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. You can make various modifications in your game presets, your settings, and role settings as well. And after making your modifications, wait for other players to join. And after you are done, start the game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.